What's up, guys? It's Morse.
It's Martin. It's Chin.
I'm your daddy-o.
Oh, hi. Who's this? I'm sorry.
Alex.
Hey, Alex. Hey, what's going on? Who's the manager on duty today?
Not before, but I am a manager.
Oh, okay. Well, this is Mac. I'm calling in just to see if I just want to let you guys know that I won't be in today. My shift was supposed to start at 4 o'clock this afternoon, but I'm not feeling well.
Wait, who is this?
Mac?
Mac?
Yes, Mac. Damien? Mac? Last name's Damien?
What's your clock-in number?
I'm sorry?
What's your clock-in number?
Well, I don't have it on me because I'm just a new associate. So yesterday I was trained with Patricia. She trained me yesterday. So, but yeah, I'm not feeling well today.
Alright, when do you start tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 12 o'clock, 12 to 9
12 p.m. or a.m.?
p.m.
So midnight?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright.
Hey, I'm so sorry about that. I'm just not feeling well today.
Fine.
Well, you have a good day.
Huh?
I said you have a good, wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Well, guys, that was the first store. We started to prank McDonald, so we'll try to move on to the next one. So stay tuned, all right?
One moment, please. Huh?
Anh kêu cho camera giấy.
How may I help you?
I'm sorry, who's this?
This is the answering service. This is the hospital you're calling.
Who am I speaking with? I'm sorry.
This is the hospital, the Providence Regional Medical Center.
Oh, hi. This is Dr. Kobayashi from the Swedish Medical Center. I'm a heart surgeon, and I'm calling to see if who's the MD on duty today?
MD for which group, doctor?
For the heart surgery operation. I'm calling because I have a patient. I'm performing an operation tomorrow, and I was wondering if one of them can fill in for me because I'm going to be going on a fishing trip tomorrow, and so that won't be. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it in time.
Okay, what type of surgery are you looking for? Like the cardiac thoracic surgeon?
That's correct. Yeah, but what I'm trying to find out is who the MD or the DR on duty today, so I can actually, just ask them for a big favor if they can do that procedure for me, because obviously my patient is scheduled for tomorrow, but like I said, I'll be going on a fishing trip, so that's not going to do me any good.
Well, I don't know what group you're looking for. If you're looking for just cardiology or if you're looking for cardiac thoracic, we have two different groups.
Oh, no, I don't want to be arrested. Obviously, that's not the case here. Is Dr. Safeway here?
Dr. Who?
Seifu?
How do you spell that? 'Cause that doesn't sound familiar. Are you trying to reach the hospital in Everett?
Is this the one in Evergreen?
No, this is the one in Everett.
The one just right off the 164th freeway? Is that what it is?
No, this is the one that's in downtown Everett, Washington.
Oh my goodness, I do apologize for that. I'm really
Oh, that's okay. Just
Alright, your boy Marlson is at it. Speak clearly.
One cup food, how may I help you?
Hello, can I speak to the manager?
Who is that?
Tony May I speak to the manager, please?
Whoa, epic fail, Marlson. Yeah.
Press 1 for our bakery.
Nope,
Press
we're
2
taking-
for our deli. Press 3 for our floral department. Press 4 for our pharmacy. Press 4 location information. Press 1 for our bakery. Press 2 for our deli. Press 3 for our floral department. Press 4 for our pharmacy. Press 5 for our
This is Tom. How can I help you?
Hey, Tom, what's going on, Tom? Hey, it's me, Houston. I'm sorry, I have a question. Who's the manager on duty today?
That would be DM.
I'm sorry, who's it?
DM.
Do you mind transferring me to his extension?
Yeah, hold on just a moment.
Thanks. Appreciate that, man.
Following this is Deanne.
Hey, Deanne, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you? Who's this?
This is Justine. I'm so... Justine?
Houston?
Yes, good boy. I work in the meat department.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to call this late. I'm just calling to let you folks know that I don't really feel well right now, and I was wondering if I could just, stay home. And I was supposed to have started at 3 this afternoon, but I wasn't feeling well, so that's
Are
why.
you sure that you have the right Safeway?
That I think so.
Is this where you work regularly?
Yes, ma'am. This is Justine. Justine Giboy. Last name is Giboy.
Oh, no, I think you have the wrong Safeway.
Isn't this the one just right off the freeway on 164 in Evergreen?
No.
This is the one right just up on the hill, just under the coconut tree.
No, this is the one by Silver Lake.
Oh my goodness! I'm so sorry. I really thought I was talking to the right
It's
person.
okay.
Oh well.
Oh, no, it's okay. I understand you're not feeling well. It's okay. but I would definitely find the other Safeway.
All right. Well, you have a wonderful day. Stay safe now.
You too. Thanks.
Okay. Bye.
What a seven!
All right. We're calling a Chinese restaurant. I'm gonna pretend like this is a Japanese. I'm calling it Japanese, so stay tuned.
Hello, this is Bernardo. How can I help you?
I'm sorry. Who's this?
Oh, this is Bernardo. How can I help you?
Is this the Chinese restaurant?
Yes, Chinese restaurant.
Oh, hi, ni hao ma.
So how can I help you?
スポーツの中で何が一番好きですか？何時頃8時まで差を浴びましたか？
Sorry, I cannot understand you.
果物が何が一番好きですか？わかりませんか？名前を呼ばれたら右手上げてください。チキン、パクパクパクパク。チキンフライ。Yes? Yes, delivery?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, スポーツ
Can I
の
order and pick up or deliver?
スポーツの中で何が一番好きです？わかりませんか？
Do you speak Japanese? We are trying. Can you speak English?
Oh, Japanese? Chinese? 日本ま
Yes. No, I mean you want order to go order?
Oh yeah, もしもし。Yes?
Hello.
Yes.
You want to make an order to go?
Oh, to come. Yes?
Can I help you?
Oh yes. 8時まで何時頃 イタリアし右手上げてください。Okay?
What's the?
Put them on speaker.
We're calling McDonald.
What? Speak louder, okay? I want to order chicken.
Huh?
I want to order pizza.
I'm ordering pizza and my name is biscuits. Can I get
Pizza.
some pizza and some
Soda?
and some
Soda?
and some burger? Can I get a toilet paper?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Comment down below
And don't forget to like our video.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.